Hi, this is my first time wood turning.
So Amy hasn't done any turning before. Here she is just working on a piece of softwood, just to get used to the tools. What are you doing now, Aim?
I'm turning a duck call.
Is this your first time doing it?
It's my first time doing it.
So let's see you do it.
Okay.
A simple way to hold a pre-drilled blank is to just turn a 3/8 hardwood mandrel. So that's a piece of solid birch, just mounted friction fit. So long as you don't dig in too hard, it usually works pretty good. She's going nice and slow and just taking a little bit off of time. Here she's just free-forming the shape. Some people draw it out and really plan it. Amy didn't even bother with that. Cutting in a notch for the lanyard. That's pretty rough sandpaper. Usually we'd do with something a little bit lighter, but she had some pretty big tool marks to get around. You can never use enough oil.
Colors are beautiful.
And then we burnish it a bit using sawdust with some oil. That gives it a nice quick polish. We use inserts from echo calls. They produce a good usable call right off the bat.
Well, let's hear it. Hear what?
Your duck call. Oh, that's classic.
I made myself a duck call. All I need now is a gun.
Okay, so Amy needs a little bit more practice. So to find out more about duck calls and the other workshops we offer at the MacLachlan Woodworking Museum, visit our website, www.woodworkingmuseum.ca.